Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to handle dark knuckles, dark elbows, dark knees, dark ankles, and get rid of them in as little as 4 weeks. So if you're a girl, if you're a guy that is dealing with darker knuckles and all of these problems I've mentioned, you want to stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to be recommending products that are guaranteed to get rid of your dark knuckles in as little as 4 weeks. Yes, you heard me, in as little as 4 weeks. These are potent products that are going to give you maximum value for money. You know, dark knuckles are one of the most frustrating skin concerns that somebody can have, right? And especially we that are dark and African skin. If you have dark knuckles, you would find that you are more self-conscious. You know, it affects your esteem, and you just unconsciously find yourself like hiding your hands in photos. Dark knuckles are often post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, right? They could be caused by dryness, friction. Let me explain dryness a bit. When your moisturizer or those dry areas don't get enough hydration or moisture, right, they tend to go dry and flaky, right? So that can be one contributing factor to you having dry knuckles and dry other parts of the body that I've mentioned. Another thing that can cause dark knuckles for you is using harsh products like bleaching agents, hydroquinone, mercury, you know, all of those products that are rapidly whitening. They can cause you to have darker knuckles. Something else that can cause darker knuckles is over exfoliating, using harsh physical scrubs to exfoliate. And that's why many times it's recommended that you do a chemical exfoliation over a physical exfoliation, because with a physical exfoliation you don't know when you have, you know, gone over the limits and you have begin to hurt yourself, which can contribute to having dark knuckles. Another thing that can cause you dark knuckles is sun exposure, right? If you are exposed to the sun repeatedly and you're using actives in your skincare routine, it can contribute to you having such dark knuckles in parts of your body. It can contribute to you having dark knuckles and darker parts of your body that are a bit more difficult than the rest of your body to clear out, like in your knees, your ankles, and your elbow. Something else that can cause dark knuckles is hormones, right? It could be hormonal for you, it could be genetic, so it's not always your fault. It could be something beyond your control. So in this video I'm going to be giving you three groups of products, right? In the list of products I'm going to be giving you, each of them is going to be doing either one of the three things I'm going to list or mention for you very soon, or some of them can have all three, combine those three factors together to help get rid of your dark knuckles, elbows, knees, and ankles. Now, the method that these products use to work is either through a melanin inhibition, either through barrier repair, or either through gentle exfoliation. So the products I'm going to be recommending that you go and buy and try to, you know, help lighten the dark knuckles and dark parts of your body would work by one of three of this method, or three of them combined. So the first product you should consider getting is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum, right? This serum is a powerhouse. It contains a lot of potent ingredients that can help get rid of your dark spots in as little as 4 weeks. I guarantee you that. Now, some of the ingredients that it contains that are particularly relevant to your dark knuckles, knees, elbows, and ankles, wherever, is niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and alpha-arbutin. Now, what niacinamide will do is that it will soften the surface of your skin, right? It will help your skin to become soft enough. Alpha-arbutin is now going to go in and, you know, work on inhibiting melanin production. So it will reduce the production and production of melanin in those dark areas, so that the production of darker pigments stops or reduces, right? Tranexamic acid is also going to go in and make sure that new dark spots do not form, and that those dark spots are off your skin for a long time. So you can buy this Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum, apply 2 drops on your knuckles or your dark areas, you know, massage it in gently, and then let it sit. After a while, you can use it morning and night, but for daytime use, I recommend you pair it with serious sunscreen, right? If you do that for a couple of weeks, like 4 weeks, you would see great improvement in the appearance of your dark knuckles, and it will begin to lighten out. Now that we're done with that, the next product you should consider buying is the ordinary 2% alpha arbutin. This product also contains hyaluronic acid, so definitely it would have made my list. Now what this product is going to do for you is that the hyaluronic acid is gently going to, you know, provide hydration to your skin, just so that your skin barrier is prepped enough for the alpha arbutin to go in and do its magic. Alpha arbutin is going to be doing the heavy lifting in this product. What it will do is that it will gently lighten your skin. You know, alpha arbutin sort of lightens in the way that it's a good product that you can use to compare hydroquinone, right? It lightens in a safer way, in a slower way compared to hydroquinone. So you want to use this ordinary alpha arbutin that contains hyaluronic acid, so that the alpha arbutin will be working on lightening the skin, while the hyaluronic acid is providing, you know, your skin softness, smoothness, so that products can penetrate and the areas of your skin that has those dark knuckles, dark elbows and whatever can appear smoother, finer. The next product I would have to recommend is the Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence. Now the reason why I've added this to my product list for recommendations for people who have dry knuckles, dry elbows, you know, the whole shebang, I don't want to keep going over it over and over again. Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence particularly targets dry skin, right? Some people's knuckle dryness in their knuckles, elbows, knees and wherever is caused by dryness, right? There is not enough hydration or moisture in those places. So what this Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence is going to do for you is that it's going to introduce a pump of hydration to those dry areas, like, right? And once it's hydrated, it can begin to, you know, look softer, look smoother. The skin around that area will begin to stretch, and it can now begin to receive, you know, whatever products it is that you want to apply on it. This Cosrx product, this Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence is actually focused on, you know, straightening and evening out especially dry areas of the skin. So you particularly enjoy it if your dark knuckles is caused or as a result of, you know, dry, dehydrated and accumulated dead skin cells. What it will do is just, you know, soften it out, make the skin in that area a lot more smoother, and, you know, over time fade out the dark spots. Snail Mucin also in this product is a banger because Snail Mucin promotes skin turnover, right, and in a way that will not irritate you. Also, it's perfect for melanin skin, so you have no, you know, worries about how your skin is going to react to this product. Another product you can consider trying is the La Roche-Posay vitamin C serum, right? Vitamin C serum is a powerhouse for brightening, and within a short period of time you would notice that dark areas of your skin start appearing lighter because of the vitamin C, and it contains a very potent quantity of the vitamin C in this product that is going to, you know, lighten your skin and fade out all of those dark areas, and it does it in a gentle way, not in a harsh way like some other product does. Now another product you can try is the ordinary azelaic acid 10% suspension, right? What this azelaic acid is going to do for you is that it's going to sort of calm or slow down the production of melanocytes in those areas of your body, like your dark knuckles. It's going to slow down the production of melanocytes. Not only will it do that, it will gently exfoliate that area, removing the accumulated dead skin cells there. Now once that happens, your skin has no choice but to reveal a more younger, newer and youthful skin. So all of it will just, you know, blend in with the rest of your skin before you know it. Azelaic acid is kind to dark skin, but some people react to it, so you want to like patch test before going all out, but I doubt that it's going to have that much effect or disadvantage on your skin if you're using it on knuckles, elbows, and other areas compared to your face. Something I have to mention for this particular product is for you to use it at night, right? Better to use it at night than in the morning, and make sure you go in with generous amounts of sunscreen the following day if you're going out under the sun. Another product you can try is the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Yes, that product is actually going to work on your dark spots. The ingredients this one contains that are particularly relevant to people with dark spots, of course, is the retinol, right? Retinol helps to fade out dark spots. It also helps with skin turnover, right? So it increases the disintegration of dead and old skin cells from your body so that your skin can, reveal newer and more healthier looking skin. But it also contains ceramide, and ceramide is going to just maintain your skin barrier throughout the process of that healing, ensuring that a more youthful, radiant version of your skin comes to the surface. The next product you can try is the Aquel Licorice pH Balancing Toner, Cleansing Toner. Yes, I already reviewed that on my channel, so if you haven't watched that video, please take some time out to go watch a detailed review of this product, the Aquel pH Balancing Licorice Cleansing Toner. Now this toner provides brightening, right? But it also contains licorice root. Licorice is very good for brightening melanin skin, gently fading out dark spots. But beyond that, the product can also provide some hydration to the skin on your hands. How you want to do it is apply a few drops of it to a cotton pad and then apply it on your elbows, your knees, and your wherever you have particularly dark spots on your body, and you would see improvements in those dark areas in as little as 4 weeks. The important thing for all of these products I have recommended is for you to be consistent, right? Be consistent for at least 4 weeks. Use it every day. For those that need to be used every day, use it every day. Make sure you use generous quantities of sunscreen, and I promise you that your dark spots are going to fade. All of the products that have been listed contains active ingredients, hence why I am advising, encouraging, and screaming right now that you buy sunscreen. By the way, if you don't know what sunscreen to get, I also have a video on my channel where I talk about the best sunscreens to use for dark spots. Yes, very thoughtful girl. So I have that video up on my page, so you can take a look at it and decide which of the many products I recommend fall under your budget and get the sunscreen that suits you and your needs. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it and gotten useful information. Leave me a comment down below, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, check out my other videos because I have a ton of useful, relevant skincare content that will ensure that your skin is constantly glowing. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.